Getting started with PostFrame Manager. In this video, I'll discuss launching the system and the choices you will make before you begin to draw your first building. When you downloaded the system, this icon was placed on your desktop. As with any other program, you simply double-click on the icon to launch it. When you do, this is the screen you will see. You click the blue-colored bar to create a new building or the green bar to open an existing project. Note that there are 3 additional buttons on the right-hand side of this screen. Clicking the button labeled Project Tools and Editors will take you to the PostFrame Manager System Tools. Here you can click on Assembly to create a non-standard item you may want to specify on any building later. You will click the Trim and Fastener button to edit an existing or to create a new trim package. There is no limit on the number of trim packages you can create to meet different circumstances or builder preferences. The Labor button takes you to the Trim, Fastener, and Labor calculation editors. PostFrame Manager's Labor Calculator is a fabulous tool for estimating your labor cost for any building you create. The Overhang Siding button is used to set the amount by which sidewall steel is shortened when you apply an overhang to a building, reflecting your construction preferences. PostFrame Manager adapts to how you build. It does not dictate how someone else thinks you should build. Framing is where you determine and set the type, grade, and species of lumber to be used for each component of the building, such as for columns, wall girts, and purlins. The Sheathing and Underlayments tool is where you select the materials you want to be applied to a building when shingle roofing or lap siding and so forth is applied to the building. The Reports link allows you to customize the reports that the system will produce for every building, such as a material list or custom drawings. Rates is where you will set the default taxes, labor, and freight rates that are specific to your geographic region and your company's policies. There is a help file link on this screen, as well as a link to all video tutorials. There is also a built-in calculator that's handy for converting a measurement from one type to another. We'll cover each of these menu items in more detail in other instructional videos. The Program Guide button will take you to detailed information on everything you need to know to operate the PostFrame Manager takeoff and estimating system. We suggest you spend the time to review this information thoroughly. The Backup button is just what you would expect. It will launch a system backup, allowing you to save important information in another location so that it can never be lost. This ends the Getting Started with PostFrame Manager instructional video.